All right, so you're ready to get all of your materials, and when you're doing this, you're gonna need 4 white cups and you're gonna need an aluminum pan. Now, if your cups have markings on them from other bells or whatever, just cross that off, that's okay. Just put your numbers on there and make sure you actually put the numbers on there so that bell and table numbers, so that no one else takes your things. And then you'll also get an aluminum pan that may or may not look exactly like this. It's not gonna be, it's okay what it looks like. It'll be obvious when you go up to the front of the classroom of what that is. So let's just say you're gonna get salt first. If you're gonna get salt, you're gonna probably take about a centimeter above the bottom of salt. So no need to measure it, but just about that much. You don't want to measure a ton, because the more you measure or the more you have, it does get a little bit more challenging. Okay. The next thing would be iron, which is in this. Again, iron, go low. This one, you see this lip right here, just go to the like the lip. So bottom to that top of that lip is all that you need. Again, trust me, you'll hate your life if you actually get more than that, because it's going to take you forever. Then there are beads. So these beads, you're just going to get, I would say, honestly, like a quarter of a cup. If you get more, fine. If you get less, fine. But about a quarter of a cup is going to be good. And then sand. There's a massive bag of sand, about the same, quarter of a cup of sand as well. So all of those things will be in their individual containers, and you're going to need to mass those. Remember, I only want the mass of the contents, excuse me, not the mass of the containers. So do whatever you need to do, either zeroing things out or measuring the mass of the cup and then subtracting it that way. Also, you're going to need to mass this and record this in your data table as well. This makes a difference. This will matter in the end, so please make sure you do that. Also, big important note, you only have one of these. So if you're going to use any sort of water, make sure the water can fit in here, or you're going to have to do it multiple rounds, which can happen, and that's fine, but it's going to take you a lot longer. So just my little hint and tidbit. If you haven't looked at the info sheet yet, please, please, please do so. There's a bunch of safety tips and also just tips in general of hints. Once you've got all this started and contained and you've measured it, you're going to dump all of it together, and that's going to be your mixture. And now you have to separate it out and document that. So good luck. Let me know if you have questions.